ሰላም ንዓኻትኩም ይኹን ሕጂ ድማ ብዛዕባ ቁንቁኛታት ክንቅጽል ኢና ኢዲየምስ ሰናይ ምክትታል ሰዓለይ በሲላ ክንብል ከለና እንታይ እዩ ዘስምዕ ሰዓለይ ሕጂ ኣብ ምሕዋያ ኣብ ጥቓ ምሕዋያ እያ ማለት እዩ
My cold is about to clear up. I'm recovering from my cold. My cold is fading away.
ሰዓለይ በሲላ በሪሩ ኸይዱ ክንብል ከለና ድማ እንታይ እዩ ዘስምዕ በሪሩ ኸይዱ ማለት ብሃንደበት ነፊጹ ኸይዱ ማለት እዩ
He departed in a hurry. He left in a flash. He rushed out unexpectedly. He bolted out suddenly.
በሪሩ ኸይዱ እንዳዝሓለ መጺኡ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ዋዒኡ እንዳሓሸ መጺኡ ንምባል የስምዕ
He calmed down significantly. He became less hyperactive. He mellowed out. He settled from his hyper state.
እንዳዝሓለ መጺኡ ዋዒኡ እንዳሓሸ መጺኡ እሳ ባዝራያ ክንብል ከለና ድማ እንታይ እዩ ዘስምዕ እሳ መኻን እያ እዩ ዘስምዕ ባዝራ ቃል ንቃሉ ኣንስተይቲ በቕሊ ማለት እዩ ተባዕታይ በቕሊ ስጋር እዩ ዝበሃል ኣንስተይቲ በቕሊ ድማ ባዝራ ኣይትወልድን እያ በዚ መሰረት እዩ እሳ ባዝራ እያ እንተዳኢልና እሳ መኻን እያ ንምባል የስምዕ
She is unable to conceive. She cannot have children. She is barren. She has reproductive challenges.
እሳ ባዝራ እያ ሃገረሰብ እዩ ክንብል ከለና ድማ እንታይ እዩ ዘስምዕ ሃገረሰብ እዩ ዘይሰልጠነ እዩ ንምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ
He lacks refinement. He is primitive. He is unrefined. He is unsophisticated.
ሃገረሰብ እዩ ዘይሰልጠነ ሰብ እዩ ቤቱ ፈሪሱ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ምፍራስ ሊትራል መፍራስ ገዛ ዘይኮነ ሓዳሩ ፈሪሱን ምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ ሓዳሩ ፈሪሱ
His relationship has fallen apart. His relationship is broken. His relationship has ended badly. His relationship is in ruins.
ቤቱ ፈሪሱ ገዛይ ኣቢልዎ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ሓዳሩ ፈትዩ ሓዳሩ ኣፍትይዎ ማለት እዩ ገዛይ ኣቢልዎ
He cherishes his relationship. He values his relationship deeply. He is devoted to his relationship.
ገዛይ ኣቢልዎ ንሓደ ሰብ ድማ መልኣኽ እዩ ክንብል ከለና እንታይ ዘመልክት ሕያዋይ እዩ ንምባል እዩ
He is angelic. He has a saintly nature. He is pure-hearted. He is as kind as an angel. He has a heavenly demeanor.
መልኣኽ እዩ ኣዲኡ ትቁፀረሉ ክንብል ከለና ድማ እንታይነቱ መን ፈሊጥዎ ንምባል እዩ ብዘይካ ኣዲኡ እንታይነቱ መን ፈሊጥዎ
His identity remains unknown to everyone. Nobody can figure out who he is. No one knows his true self. He is a mystery to everyone.
ኣዲኡ ትቁፀረሉ ጃህራ ድራሩ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ድሮን ምባል ናቱ እዩ ንምባል እዩ ድሮን እዩ ዝብል ጃህራ ድራሩ
He loves to brag. He enjoys showing off. He is fond of boasting. He has a tendency to gloat.
ጃህራ ድራሩ ሓሳብ ልቡ ሰሚሩሉ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ዝሓለሞን ዘስተንተኖን ኮይኑሉ ንምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ
His aspirations were fulfilled. His wishes were granted. His hopes became reality. His dreams were realized.
حسب لبو سميرلو نحد سب دما بالكل تقاصيلو انتلكايوم تاي زسمع بخطور مسته وشطو نديدو الكوليزاتو خوينو مالتي بحصيرو
He is damaged by alcohol. He is ruined by drinking. He is harmed by alcohol. He is scorched by his drinking habits.
بالكولو تقاصيلو ገበታ ወይ ድማ እንቃዓ አተንፊሱ ክንብል ከለና ገበታ አተንፊሱ ወይ ከዓ እንቃዓ አተንፊሱ ክንብሎ ከለና እንታይ ማለት እዩ ብዙሕ አተንፊሱ ወፊሉ ማለት እዩ ድማ
He took a deep breath and calmed down. He inhaled deeply and felt at ease. He breathed in and found his composure.
ገበታ አተንፊሱ እንቃዓ አተንፊሱ ጊዜ ተቃጺሉ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ጊዜ ብኾንቱ ሓሊፉ ወይ ድማ ባኺኑ ንምባል የስምዕ
I squandered my time. I spent my time poorly. I lost valuable time. I used my time inefficiently.
ጊዜ ተቃጺሉ እንዳ ሓደርካ ዝፍቶ እዩ ክትብሎ ከለካ ንሰብ ድማ እንዳ ሓደርካ ዝፍቶ እዩ ምስ ፈለጥካዮ ዝያዳ ዝፍቶ ሰብ እዩ ንምባል እዩ ሰባት አለው ምስ ፈለጥካዮም እንዳ ጸላኻዮም ትኸይድ ሰባት ድማ አለው ምስ ፈለጥካዮም እንዳ ፈተኻዮም ትኸይድ እሱ እንታይ እዩ እንዳ ሓደርካ ዝፍቶ እዩ ክንብል ከለና ምስ ፈለጥካዮ ዝያዳ ዝፍቶ ሰብ እዩ
The better you know him, the more you like him. Getting to know him increases your liking. The more you know, the more you like.
Oh, sorry. Repeat it.
The more you know, the more you like.
ቪዲዮና ኣብዚ ወዲና ያለና ብዝተረፈ ሰሰናዩ ጥዕሙና ኣሓትኩም ይኹን See you in the next video.